My name is Yash. I have taken coaching from IELTS classes from Indo-European, and it was a very good session and an interactive one. I have taken coaching from 𝕼𝐻 ma'am. She was one of the best teachers, and she has guided me a lot. Whenever I faced problems, she has always taught me how to overcome them. And yes, there were 4 sections in the IELTS exam, that were reading, writing, listening and speaking. Usually I lacked in more in speaking and writing, so she helped me very much in the process, and I gave thoughtful answers after my coaching. And in a case of writing, I was lagging more in the sentence making, so she helped me correcting all the sentences and making it in an orderful manner, and it was one of the best classes that I've ever witnessed of the IELTS. She has always helped me to make thoughtful expressions about the language. Usually I had a poor communication in the English language earlier, but she helped me and trained me in a way that I am able to express all my feelings and thoughts in my speaking skills, and all of my speaking reading skills were totally enhanced after taking the IELTS classes. And I usually practice 3 to 4 passages in the reading sections that were provided by the teacher, and it helped me to improve my reading skills and also get a better score in my IELTS exam. And the overall process was very good, and it was very enhanced, and she had always helped me to overcome all my problems, and the score that I have achieved now is totally because of her. The guidance and motivation she gave to me was very thoughtful, and I give a big thank you to her to helping me getting a good score, and also the Indo-European management to help me guiding all the processes and helping me to gain a better future ahead.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.